Good morning, guys. Fishing some tiger muskies, bass, walleye, whatever we can get. See what happens. Big perch. On the drop shot. Hits him.
Turn on when you got a fish?
Yep. Little smallie. And the quick release. Nice bass. Oh. Feels like a bass.
That one I just looked like I needed to grab that up.
Oh no. Oh, bass.
Right to rattle trap it.
Are you kidding? Just freaking tuck in and pull him up. Beautiful fish. I think it's a largemouth. Yep, big largemouth. Gonna need the small net.
Oh yeah. Good fish.
Beautiful. You ain't kidding. I'll get that on in a second. For you.
That looks like start scraping the fucking
Paint off.
paint off and rubbing some gouge marks on the side.
Just under 4. Oh, you gotta have the beat up Rapplin wrap or whatever it is. It used to be like, I think, Shiner. Beauty. Gonna need the net. Oh, if I can get him out of the motor, holy. Oh, I'm trying.
That's 5 plus.
Oh.
That's 5 plus.
Up here?
Yeah, because
Rushed it too.
guarantee it.
Oh. Ooh.
Just under 6.
5.12. 5 pounds, 12 ounces. So 5 3/4. Beautiful. Otisco Lake largemouth. Oh, this rod's in. If you can reel it in. I got a little bit of time here.
Okay.
Oh. Big tiger. About the same size as the other ones, I guess. Oh.
Right. Can you
Got him. Oh. Come on, buddy. Fish on. Feels like another bass. Definitely staying deep. Oh, tiger. They're tiger.
Small net?
Yeah. He doesn't look that big. Can almost rail flip him, he's so small. Whoop, heads up. And the release.
And the release.
And everybody's safe on that one. Oh, he's not happy.
Tigre?
Yep. Respectable. Nope, big bass. Big bass. He's fighting so much that I hooked him in the side of the head. Not quite sure how they got him inside of the head, but he crushed that thing.
Pounder?
Yeah, not bad at all. Oh. Hey guys, Kevin with True Outdoors 73, fishing on Otisco Lake today. My buddy Chris. We ended up boating 5 tiger muskies, a bunch of bass. The biggest bass was 5 pounds, 12 ounces. Great day, you can't beat this for October 31st, 2024. 75 degrees, a little windy, but beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.